Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, the next question what we have is 57th interview question. Here I'm going to talk about eval function. Explain about eval function. Explain about eval function. What is mean by eval function? When we can use this eval function? The name itself is giving very clear clarity. Eval function is used for evaluation purpose. If you want to evaluate any data, then we can go for this eval. There are multiple applications are there for this, but I'm not going in detail into this. I want to take one top application. So in previous programs somewhere, we accepted the input from the user. Enter any data, whatever data I'm taking. So I want to print that. Even I want to print a type of that data also. See, if you don't know the type, then compulsory we have to use eval function. What will happen is, whatever data you are supplying, if it is integer, eval function automatically converts that to integer and it will store it in A. If it is in floating point, automatically it will take the data in the form of float. If it is a list, automatically it will take the data in the form of list. Like automatically it is going to convert. We are not required to do anything. Okay, let us run this program. Py space test.py. Enter any data. Sir, I am giving 111. 111 is what type of data? Integer, right? Hence, automatically it is converted. I'm not doing any modification on the program. Now I'm giving input as 45.56. What type of data it is? Floating point, right? Automatically it got converted into float. Now I'm giving input in the double quotations. It is considering in the form of string. Now I'm giving the data in the form of list. Sorry, like this. What will happen? It is converted into list. So whatever data you have given, automatically it is going to evaluate that to what type of data you need. This particular functionality is called as what? Eval function. Eval function will do this internally. I hope you understood what is the meaning of eval function. Okay. Thank you, friends.